pretty boy. You're so pretty. Put on your new blanket. And then we have oh boy, he's had a rough day. Wouldn't you say, Lenny? Vincent's had a rough day? Yeah, I think so. Big round table.